Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make daylilies bloom more. Start by picking a sunny spot and preparing well-draining soil. Plant with crowns at soil level and space to allow airflow. Mulch lightly to retain moisture, but avoid smothering crowns. Water deeply once a week rather than frequent shallow waterings. Feed with balanced fertilizer in early spring and deadhead spent blooms to encourage more flower spikes. In this video, I will explain how to make daylilies bloom more. Improve soil with compost and test pH for a slightly acidic to neutral range. Apply a balanced granular fertilizer in early spring and again after the first flush of blooms. Avoid excess nitrogen that favors foliage over flowers. A light top dressing of compost each year boosts soil life. Consistent feeding and good soil structure help produce more and longer bloom periods. In this video, I will help you make daylilies bloom more. Prioritize full sun and deep, infrequent watering to build strong roots and longer bloom cycles. Morning watering reduces disease risk and supports healthy growth. Avoid crowding and improve drainage to prevent root rot and stress. Deadhead promptly and remove seed pods to direct energy into new flowerscapes. Regular observation and minor adjustments yield more abundant, healthier blossoms season.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.